Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made it up on the beat and you can't see. Pan on the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, people, one bag of one in a one style, So it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Bounty Killer because I'm not telling you no lie, my people. I don't want to say old age is catching up to him, but something is right in his mind. And I don't want to say Kartel, but Kartel is definitely on his mind because he's posting up things from 20 odd years ago and insinuating that Kartel is making him fans disappoint him because him like where him like. And unfortunately, him like the part where Massacre did a diss Vybz Kartel. Putting at the comment section where you think about that because the grown people on social media is noticing his childish behavior. As you can see, the sender said King. You know, say Bounty have a Kartel. It was all pretend when he was saying he was happy for him. Mr. Master and the people them is reacting to obviously the old things when they see in the beginning plus in caption saying Gaza and Sparta fans, let me drag on a little fish brain for a minute and show the world what Snake and Bad Mind looks like in a real time. Only now remember, none of this fish brain shall still move on a dirty blood clot. When I was standing for Cartel like I am now standing for Massacre, me never Bad Mind, don't it? Listen, Master, and you already know the thing with Buju Banton and all of these things through Cartel career. I tell people for playing song and all of this stuff. But people, it gets worse now. You see me, Master? Because no, he's letting the world know he actually has a problem with Vybz Kartel. No, after this clash with Tamale, right? Look on this comment because him said, let that sink in a them blood clot. Ungrateful and bright. You see, Master? Kartel too. You think him doesn't see his look at nasty fans them disrespecting me over my own choice of opinion? Weeks now did you saw him come out and address any of them? No. You think him never saw when Gaza Fungus, Gaza Uncle, this me and Mad Souls and One Gavin and all of those people, you know what I mean, the little millions as he called them, and I tell him about him mother and all of this stuff. You see me I say, when him help Kartel and Kartel never help him, so if him can stand and watch them dissing me and don't address it, it says a lot. I care zero at this point. Me know my side and I'm sticking to it. Anything or anything after them no more than me. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting in the comment section what you think about all of that, man. I'm about to kill a son jumping because I want a piece of the mix-up. You see, man, I say, and if Kartel is not even addressing all of these old system talk from Massacre, when I bring up Lisa, Hyper, and Vanessa Bling and all of these people, why him should address people him not have control over? You see, man, I say, why Bounty not call Kartel? You see, man, I say, but Bounty is trying to use Sykes because he's planning on releasing a diss track on Vybz Kartel on his birthday next week. You see, man, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And he wants the war to continue, right? But Kartel say him not depend them, think them depend positivity. So just giving them a quick update. But anyway, people, I still want to forget that quick update while going for that one. Do you think Bounty Killer is, bitter? You know what I mean? That Kartel is richer and more successful now. And all of these things that he's not. I say, and he has to stop acting like Kartel and the rest of the people them in Alliance was just over there freeloading. These people was writing songs for him, making him money. But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next. No, just when you think you made it, the people that is trying to bring you back down. I know people is trying to boycott Rosalee from going to England, to get this money. Because, Fantastic Four, have our bookings as soon as you can see in front of you. And TikTok Boss, I think that's his name as well. But after the tour damage that she do to Lavina, her mother, the people them say, no. Them are call authorities for now. So let's hear what going from that to go on and proceed with the next. Okay, people, time for some T-lister mix-up. Now that we're done with the A-listers. England specifically, this is for you because Jamaica biggest celebrity, literally, Rosealee and the crew is heading your way. This is master, but some people is not feeling that. You know what I mean? And them say they're going to, call the authorities on not to make sure she doesn't forward because it's not a good look to be doing business with people that is doing things to their mother in the unthinkable way. So let's hear what the ayah say, and then we proceed to the next.
You're immune and people not gonna say nothing. Right? Bro, it's disgusting what you're doing. You see somebody beat their mother and you actually take them and put them on a flyers and decide so you're going to fly them in England for people. So tell me something now, ladies. You don't want to go turn up outside of somebody and take picture with them we beat their mother? You don't want to go spend on a £25 for turn up side of somebody we beat their mother and take picture? Eh? Savage, yes, you would want to go because I know it's on a plan for a page. But here what going to end up happen. Me can't tell you this. Savage, yes, you want to go, but that party they can't keep at England. Me can't tell you that. That party they not going to go on. You're really sad because I remember some know a plan for my page because I get the phone call already, you know, where me see you now watch out my thing. That party they can't keep over here. Most of you know we support Rosalee under the America. First of all, that party there cannot keep over here. We are protest the party there. Hard. Me not care what nobody wants to say. I whole heap of people I go, anybody who want to fall out with me and talk to me, I do it from now. Yeah? Who no want to associate on yourself, on a brand, on a business with people who beat their mother? At that, you know, tell me, say, at that we think gone to. Alright, tell them again, Deborah, so we link strong. Tell them again, that party they non keep. It non keep. No girl will beat their mother, not supposed to fly in come a Britain, come and pose up and take picture with good people. We not work with that.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. No, people, Sender says, boy, Akeem gone. Yeah. boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sender say, Starr get a next trade that, you know. Right, because you know she did the Lincoln trade that, you know. But no, them say I wind up on the next trade that Akeem. Because you know get one trade that under them high ball. You see what I say? So let's see. Well, I go on for not to go on because I'm not gonna lie to you. I think Starr actually dissed Rosalee because the way all the video line up with the lyrics to the song, that's definitely, you know, shots fired. Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. Yeah, you know, stars out here want to sell the pum pum wash and all of them thing there. Listen, man, I said the cookie wash and them thing there, you see me? So, you know, she's hoping that Rosalee would take the beat and, you know, I come cuss her off and all of this stuff. But, whoa, right? Akeem the go Zimmy party. Yeah. With Figure It Out and Diamond without her. That's what I say. When did the Fantastic 3 become Fantastic 4? Then Dagger instead of going without her.
Live a modest life. The dog security don't have a top. Security don't have to come out of the car and walk. One Akeem, one of them live a modest life. Security don't have to come out of the car and bodyguard them and them. Lord God, that's a youth their life, man. See, figure it out there. See Akeem there. Youth them lifestyle. Mad security have a turn up out the door. Yeah.
Yeah, crazy work. Anyway, people, just still want to give them quick update at the end of the night. So do the right thing and subscribe if you haven't done so already and hit the notification bell. Because you know we might drop some more foreign or so. You want to be notified whenever we do drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. For this.